Welcome to Magestic, the no-code app builder that empowers you to create fully customized back-office applications in minutes. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to integrate Twilio with Magestic to build a dynamic back-office tool without writing a single line of code. Twilio is a leading cloud communications platform that provides powerful APIs for messaging, voice, video, and more. With Magestic, you can build a seamless, user-friendly interface to manage messaging, phone numbers, and account data, all in just a few clicks. Let's explore the Twilio data models available in Magestic and see how they can be used to build a custom communication app. The Messages model provides you details about sent and received messages, including pricing, delivery status, and full content. It also allows you to send new messages. The Incoming Phone Numbers model helps you manage numbers you've purchased or hosted with Twilio. You can order new numbers, update existing ones, or delete those you no longer need. The Available Phone Numbers model lets you browse phone numbers available for purchase by country and type, such as local, mobile, or toll-free. You can also apply filters to find the perfect match for your needs. The Usage Records model provides real-time insights into your Twilio activity and costs, keeping you in control of your communication spending. For a deeper dive into each model, refer to the Twilio API documentation. Let's walk through how to create a list view in Magestic. In this example, we'll use the Messages model to display a log of sent text messages. First, switch to build mode and add a new page. Give your page a name, like Messages. Next, go to the right side panel and drag the data table component onto the canvas. Rename it to something descriptive, such as Messages List. Now, head over to the Data section. Select Twilio as your API service and choose Messages List as your data source. Drag and drop the columns you want to display, like message body, sender, recipient date, and delivery status. Add pagination controls to navigate through large datasets. Then, customize the layout by arranging the columns and adding filters to fit your workflow. When you're ready, switch to View mode to see your message log populated with real-time data from Twilio. And that's it. You can use the same steps to create list views for other Twilio resources. Now, let's walk through how to create a single entry view type component. We'll use the same Messages model, but this time we'll configure the single entry view endpoint to display the full details of a message log. Switch back to build mode and drag the single entry view component onto the canvas. Give it a name that reflects its purpose. From the resources list, select Messages Single as your data source. Choose the fields you want to display, or drag and drop all available fields. Link this component to your messages list so that selecting an entry from the list loads its details in the single entry view. Enable the View in Modal option if you'd like the component to open in a pop-up. Switch to View mode and test it out. Now, when you select a message from the table, you'll see its detailed information displayed exactly as you configured. Now, let's learn how to create a form component to add new entries. In this example, we'll use the same Messages model to build a form for sending a new message. Start by switching to build mode. Drag the form component onto the canvas and give it a descriptive name, like New Message. Next, set the data source to Messages Send and add the fields you need. You can rearrange the fields into your preferred order. You can also change the display type of certain fields. To remove a field, select it and press the Delete key. You can also adjust the form's width to better fit your design. If you'd like, you can link the form to your messages list so that new messages appear immediately in the list. Once your form is ready, switch to View mode and test it by submitting a new message. Your message will appear right away in the messages log. If you prefer the form to open in a modal, switch back to Build mode, enable the View in Modal option, and adjust the modal size as needed. Now, when you click New Entry from the list of messages, the form will open in a modal window. Connect Twilio to Magestic today and start creating an app that centralizes all your messaging and phone management needs into one powerful solution.